In this video, I will show you how to round time to the nearest 5, 10 or 15 minutes in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some time values in the first column. Now I want to round these times to the nearest 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 15 minutes as given in the C column. I will use a formula using the Excel mround function to do that. The mround function rounds a number to the specified multiple. This function accepts two arguments, a number to round and the multiple to which round the number. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type mround followed by an opening bracket. I will select cell B3 as the first argument of the mround function. Since we want to round the time to the nearest 5 minutes, I will specify 0:05 as the second argument, where 0 is the hour and 05 is for 5 minutes. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, it returned the time rounded to the nearest 5 minutes. Similarly, I will specify 0:10 and 0:15 to round the time to the nearest 10 and 15 minutes like this. The mround function rounds up the time if the remainder of dividing the time by the multiple is greater than or equal to the specified multiple, as we can see from 4th and 6th time values. In some cases, we always want to round down the time to the nearest multiple value. For example, the 10:51 am and 10:56 am time values should be rounded to 10:50 am. In such cases, we can use the floor function instead of the mround function. It is similar to the mround function but always rounds down the number to the given decimal point. I will use a similar formula using the floor function to round down the time like this. You can see the difference in the final time values for the second, fourth and fifth time values. The floor function always rounds down the time values. As opposed to that, sometimes we always want to round up the time values. For example, 10:51 am and 10:56 am time values should be rounded to 11 am. In such cases, we can use the ceiling function. The ceiling function has syntax similar to the mround and floor functions. Notice the difference between the mround and ceiling function outputs for the first, third and sixth time values. As you can see, the ceiling function rounded up the time values to the nearest minute multiple. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.